Good morning, dear students. Today I shall teach you the chapter using the scientific methods. In this chapter, the writers have divided the chapter in 4 sections. In first section, control of diseases is discussed. In second section, better sanitary conditions are discussed. In third section, more food and better food is discussed. And in fourth part of this chapter, better attitudes are discussed. Okay. Now let's discuss the exercise of this chapter. As far as question number 1 is concerned, question number 1 is, how has the scientific method helped us in our fight against diseases? Are you listening? Let me repeat the question number 1. How has the scientific method helped us in our fight against diseases? Well, the answer is, the scientific method has helped us in knowing the causes of diseases and their prevention. It has also enabled us to make life-saving drugs like vaccines, tablets, and some injections. Okay, is it clear? Okay, question number 2. Write a note on the better sanitary conditions available in our cities today and compare them with what they were like 100 years ago. Okay, the answer is, today our city streets are paved and well drained. They are cleaned regularly. Garbage is disposed properly. 100 years ago, the streets were unpaved and poorly drained. Okay, are you getting? Okay. इस सेकंड क्वेश्चन में तो उसने सवाल ये पूछा था कि राइट ए नोट ऑन बेटर सैनिटरी कंडीशंस, कि सेहत और सफाई की सूरत हाल पर एक छोटा सा नोट लिखें. तो इसका आंसर हमने दिया है कि टुडे आवर सिटी स्ट्रीट्स आर पेव्ड, कि आजकल हमारे शहर की गलियां जो हैं वो पुख्ता हैं एंड वेल ड्रेन्ड, और उसमें नकासी का निज़ाम अच्छा है. दे आर क्लीन रेगुलरली, उनकी सफाई होती है रोज़ाना. गार्बेज इज डिस्पोज प्रॉपरली, और कूड़ा करकट को भी तल्फ किया जाता है मुनासिब तरीके से. 100 years ago, 100 साल पहले, द स्ट्रीट्स वर अनपेव्ड, गलियां पुख्ता नहीं थी, एंड पुअरली ड्रेन्ड, और उनका ड्रेनेज सिस्टम भी कोई बेहतर नहीं था. Okay, now let's come to question number 3. What are sanitary conditions like our villages today? What are sanitary conditions in our villages today, and how would you improve them? Okay, today our villages are progressing with the passage of time, but in the past, outdoor toilets were common and streets were unpaved. So we could improve them by awareing people about better sanitary conditions. Okay, is it clear? कि पहले हमारी गलियां पुख्ता नहीं होती थी और उससे तो सफाई का इंतजाम भी नहीं था, लेकिन अब माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अब इम्प्रूवमेंट इज देयर. Okay, question number 4. How has scientific method helped us in the production and preservation of foods? कि साइंस ने हमारे खुराक को बेहतर करने में और उसको प्रिजर्व करने में कितनी एक हमारी हेल्प की। तो द आंसर इज थ्रू साइंटिफिक मेथड we get more production of food. Modern methods of selecting, grading, and processing have helped us a lot in the preservation of food. अब साइंस की बदौलत हम फ्रूट्स को सिलेक्ट भी करते हैं, ग्रेड भी करते हैं, प्रोसेस भी करते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. We are less fearful than our ancestors. What were our ancestors afraid of? So question number 5 is, we are less fearful than our ancestors. What were our ancestors afraid of? Well, according to the writers, we are less fearful than our ancestors because we have left believing in superstitions. Our ancestors were afraid of, the writers are saying that their ancestors were afraid of black cats, broken mirrors, and number 30. ठीक है ना? Are you getting? कि पिछले ज़माने में, गुज़श्ता दौर में राइटर्स कहते हैं कि कुछ लोग काली बिल्लियों से डरते थे, टूटे हुए शीशों से डरते थे और नंबर 13 से डरते थे। But now science has helped us a lot. Okay, is there any question up till now? Okay, all the best. Allah Hafiz.